Yo, what's up, fam? So today is a beautiful day out here in Germany. As you can see, the sun's out, no clouds, all that good stuff. So today I'm gonna finish up my Nürburgring prep and I'm going to install a 5-point harness. So I have a G-Force 5-point harness right here. It's the latch and link system. I went with this one because it's cheap and it works well and it's reliable. I have a custom harness bar right here that I bought off of a guy off the forums. So we'll see how everything bolts up, but it looks pretty simple to install so far. I got one end installed right there. As you can see, I just wanted to see exactly how it mounted. And so here I got my Barrage 5-point sub belt bar, and this just is going to bolt into the bottom of my seat. So I'll show you guys how this whole process is going to start, but I'm going to start with the harness bar installation first. Whoa. So before we get into the install, how could I forget? So I got my boy Fitz right here in his Miata, his right-hand drive Miata. It's a 94. He's over here adjusting he's adjusting the steering wheel apparently. So, hey Fitz, man, say what's up, bro.
What's up?
Yeah, that's my boy Fitz right there. He's gonna be in a lot more of the videos coming up soon. I'm also gonna be doing a review on his Miata, so just be on the lookout for that. All right, and so the first thing I have to do and to install the actual harness bar is remove my seat belt, mounting bolt right here, and then obviously in the driver's side over there too. So let's get it. So as you see, I got both seat mount bolts removed. So now it's time to go ahead and bring in the harness bar, and then I'll go ahead and line that up, and I'll get that mounted up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And this is the install of the harness bar. It's pretty sturdy. As you see, it has pretty much like some guides right here to keep it and from moving under braking and things like that to keep it in place, but it's pretty sturdy. I like it. This wasn't a bad way. I spent some money. I was a little bit hesitant about purchasing this, like just because it was a custom harness bar and I had no proof if it would work, but now seeing it in person, like all of the wheels look good, all the hardware look good, the build quality looks good, so it was definitely a good purchase. Now on to mounting my sub mount bar mount right here. So the first thing I had to do is loosen up these front seat mounting bolts right here. I've already done it, so they're already loose. I just want to show you guys where they were. Next thing you have to do is bring up the seat. I think I'm the only guy with a racing bucket that still has a power like sliding rail on it, but hey man, I like to be comfortable. All right, so waiting for that. All right, this is up, and as you can see, there's two mounting bolts right there. One here, one here. So what I have to do is just unloosen those, and then my sub bar is gonna mount right underneath this bracket here. So it'll be sitting there like that, and as you can see, and this is where all of the sub belts will latch to right here. So let's go ahead and get into it. And we're back. So I got it all mounted up. Went on super easy. Everything fits and all the bolts still mounted down. So now it's time to install the harness. You can get a sense of where we're going with it right now. So I accidentally ordered the 2-inch instead of the 3-inch straps, and I'm seeing it right now. It looks a tad bit small. I think I may have to order 3-inch just to be a little bit more comfortable, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust these, and I'll let you guys see the final product. So I'm all done with the harness install. I got it all adjusted into my body, and I like the way it feels. I think I'm gonna still go with the 3-inch straps because I think it'll feel a bit easier on my shoulders, but I'm gonna take it for a ride and we're gonna see what's up. But if you did like what you saw, please do like and subscribe. And I got some Nürburgring content actually coming because I'm gonna be there in a day. I'm out.